chair and I picked up my acoustic guitar. I started playing to a beat, it went a little something like this. Oh, better be, get up out of your seat. Better be, get up on your feet. Better be, come on, come dance with me. Come dance to Bella's beat. I looked around the room and I saw all kinds of instruments to be played. I looked over there, I had a friend named Ellie getting ready to shred the electric guitar. They all saw right over there the Duke of the Dogs, and he played the shit out of that keyboard. And then, what's that? Harry the horse, he was sitting there banging his hoofs on the djembe. He let it go, he felt the beat, man, that horse could play. And then, what's that? Mona the monkey? Oh, she was playing on that harmonica. She revved and rolled and kept control of the beat. Was that Bill the Worker Bee? That's right, last one. You remember him from earlier episodes, you see. Yeah, but he's back again and he's playing on a ukulele, jamming too. What's that beat, Bill? Yeah, better be, get up out of your seat. Better be, come on, get on your feet. Better be, come on, come dance with me. Yeah, come dance to the beat. You see, Bella was this girl, her and her mom. Well, they need to find a home. And sure enough, Andrea opened up and let them come right in. Oh, they filled her heart, they made it feel like they were a big family. And every time I come in this room, I feel the love. So I sing, Bella be, get up on your feet. Bella be, get up out of your seat. Bella be, come on, come dance with me. Come